Unlock your full real estate potential by becoming a Zillow agent and connecting with millions of active homebuyers. Your journey starts by registering on the Zillow Agent Hub, often referred to as Zillow Premier Agent, which is designed specifically for real estate professionals. Navigate to the agent-specific portal and look for the Sign Up or Join as an Agent option. Fill out the required registration details, ensuring your information is accurate and reflects your active real estate license. This initial step links your professional credentials to Zillow's expansive platform. Next, optimize your agent profile. Upload a high-quality, professional headshot that inspires trust and approachability. Craft a compelling bio that showcases your expertise, local market knowledge, and unique value proposition to potential clients. Actively solicit and encourage past clients to leave reviews on your Zillow profile. Positive testimonials are paramount, as they significantly influence new client decisions and enhance your credibility and visibility. For lead generation, understand the Zillow Premier Agent program, which offers paid advertising opportunities for prominent lead placement. Crucially, respond to Zillow leads immediately. Speed is vital in converting online inquiries into successful client relationships. Maintain a complete and updated portfolio of your active and sold listings on Zillow, as this showcases your experience and attracts potential buyers and sellers directly. Proactive engagement and a polished online presence are key to thriving as a Zillow agent.